Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today we're going to be looking at the CVLIFE WolfProwl S03. Alright, so the CVLIFE WolfProwl red dot sight is going to come shipped in this black box. Here it says CVLIFE, hit the target. Let's take a look inside. So first off, we're going to have our user's manual. So here it is. The brand is CVLIFE WolfProwl red dot sight. Right, so it's going to give you a nice catalog, specifications, and everything included in the package, which we'll go over shortly. How to properly install your battery, and how to install the product. It does have a Picatinny mount that you can mount on rifles or PCCs, and then how to mount also on your pistol, which we'll demonstrate that shortly. Here are your illumination settings. And here's the adjustments. Battery life. So it has a long battery life here. And how to properly zero. Then you also have troubleshooting, your maintenance and care, and then of course your warranty and the batteries. Lots of good information in the user's manual here. So here we have our cleaning cloth for your lens. This will come with two CR1632 batteries. Here's the MOS adapter plate. And also our tool for installation. And then an additional tool here for adjusting the windage and elevation. Then we also do get several different mounting screws. So depending on your pistol, you do have several different screw options here. And of course here is the red dot sight. Also comes with this nice cover. Keeps it clear from dirt, debris, dust. And also included here is the Picatinny adapter with some screws already set inside as well. Alright guys, now let's go over the battery installation. So this is a top mounted battery, so you don't have to worry about replacing the battery underneath and removing your optic and then re-zeroing later. So you're going to use this provided tool here, and all you're going to do is unscrew the battery tray. It pops right out. Then you want to use the provided battery. You want to put this side down and this side up. Then what you want to do is make sure that it's placed in correctly. So you'll hear a little snap or a little click. You can see all the grooves placed in there correctly. Then just reinsert the battery tray here. You can tighten. Then once you have it tightened, you can check for the red dot, and there it is. Alright guys, so this does have 10 brightness settings. So right now it is at the lowest brightness setting by pressing the down arrow here. And to increase the brightness setting, you're going to hit the arrow up on the left side. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, being the brightest setting, which looks really nice. So this red dot's actually made out of sturdy aluminum that can withstand 1500 G's of pressure. So that's quite a bit, guys. Definitely would recommend putting this on whichever optic ready pistol you have ready. You do have your elevation here and your windage adjustments. Really easy to turn those using your tool here. So you can just, and you hear the audible click as well. Very nice. And I do love the construction here. You can tell it's going to withstand whatever you put this on top of. Alright guys, now let's go over the mounting demonstration here. So this is an RMR cut, so it's only compatible with the RMR footprint, which I have here on this plate. So you want to line up these two holes here with the plate right there. And the screws that I'm going to use for this setup are the 6x32, 12.2 millimeter. And I do also want to add, I do love that they come with blue Loctite. So it's going to secure the red dot even further to your pistol. Alright, so I'm just going to drop it in here. Then go ahead and use the provided tool. Get that nice and snug. Alright, and that's how you mount the red dot. Very nice looking. And I also wanted to add that the red dot sight comes with shake awake, which means if you have your pistol down for a few minutes, the red dot sight is going to turn off just to save battery life. And then as soon as it senses some type of movement, the red dot sight is going to turn right back on. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE WolfProwl S03. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you on the next one.